Fucking dumb, bro.
They rode on his car.
What are you talking about? Fucking whatever. Move, bitch. What's up, guys? I bought some bucket seats for my car, and I'm gonna install them real quick. These are what it looks like. Ignore the mess in the background, yeah. Jeez. So this is what my seats look like right now. They're not bucket seats. And the other seats, I did get them off a different Subaru, a WRX. It was older. Just need to unbolt everything. And then I know there's a sensor for the seat belt. I gotta plug back in. And I'm gonna vacuum my under my rug and stuff too, because I know that thing's dirty. Alright, so those are the fronts. So all the holes seem to line up except for this one right here, because it needs to be like flattening out a little bit. It's too curved for this car. So I'm gonna try to bend it out. And this part a little bit more, and it fits up right perfectly.
Imagine.
What?
Where's that?
It broke.
No way. No, dude.
They took 2 duffel bags. They tried to get quick and turn to a car crash. 2 weeks later.
No, you gotta push it down. Look, push it up. And then push it down.
So on the first seat, the seatbelt didn't work. So I gotta take them out and switch them out. But yeah, on the last driver's side. Alright guys, so the seat, the round. This one actually, the wires did work, so that the seatbelt sign, so now it does actually clamp in, you know? The plugins actually fit the car, or this side at least. That side still doesn't have them, but the passenger, right?